Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing how to draw a girl's face. At first, draw a line like this. This line will be eyes, nose, and lips. It's a easy way to draw it. It will be better if you draw in this way. You can also follow, like everyone has their own style. I draw it in this way, so if you want you can follow the way. This is how I draw the face. To learn how to draw the face, please watch the whole video. Then I'm drawing eyebrows. Now I'm drawing the nose. For the eyes, I'm drawing at first a circle, then I will draw the eye. Here I am using a HB pencil. You can use any kind of normal pencil or whatever pencil or medium you have. You can use those things. At first I am just drawing the eye shape. Now I am drawing the details. I am removing the extra lines. For the sketch you have to learn strokes, so practice strokes a lot. If you find, if you want, you can find a lot of videos about strokes on YouTube. So if you want you can check those video out and try to practice it, how to draw, how to practice these strokes. It will help your sketch a lot and you will be able to draw a lot. You will be able to draw better, in better way. Now I'm fixing the face shape. Now I'm drawing the lips. At first I'm drawing the shape, then I'll draw in details of hair. Now I'm drawing the hair with strokes. As I told you before, please try to practice it. Even when I was a beginner, I was feeling trouble to give these strokes, but now I can do much better than before, and I'm still practicing for it. So I will suggest you to practice it, and if you want you can also visit some YouTube videos to learn the strokes, how to draw it and how to do it. If I can, I will make a video on it, that how to make these strokes, how to practice this. So in case of sketches, yeah, strokes are the most important thing, and you have to do it, and you have to learn it. So you have to do a lot of practice. In this video I'm showing how to draw a girl's face. You, if you want, you can draw it in this way. This is how I draw faces, how to draw a face. Here I'm showing. For the eyes, I zoomed in to show you how to draw the eyes in details. Maybe it will help you to draw eyes. Now I'm drawing lower lashes. It's done. Now I'm doing the same with the with other eye. Now uh I'm doing strokes for the shading. It's almost done. It's done. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye.